That way.
Hello everyone. Agun, our beloved and favorite driver, has offered to take us on a little tour of his friend's farm. So we're gonna go explore. Alright, you guys, our mind is exploding at this point because we have just toured the most insane farm in the middle of Indonesia. Lars, what has stood out to you?
So initially we came here because we talked to our driver about how much we love mangosteens, which Beely is the one that introduced me to it. He said that he had some trees here that grew them, and so we had to come check him out. But he has so much on his farm. He's growing pineapples, green beans,
Cassava root, chilies, and it was started by his grandpa, and then his dad, and then he has become involved in it, and he hopes that his 13 and 15-year-olds will be involved with the farm as well. But in addition to farming, he's also a driver for us.
Yeah, he's been our driver to Munduk and then now to Kuta.
Kuta.
And so, anyway, he just is a man of many talents.
There he is!
And there he is!
We love Agun!
Agun's the best!
Special, yeah. Ganesh,
Ganesh.
we make that.
Yes.
I'm making.
You made
You
it?
made
Yes.
this?
Like carved it?
Yes, this. But this from cement. Yes, welcome to my house.
Thank you.
You can see many houses.
Many.
Because
So-
this Balinese is like this same.
We've just stumbled upon my version of heaven. We're surrounded by maybe 50 plus old coconuts that all have Tombon in them. You're listening to see if there's water inside, and if there's not, then that's a good sign.
Mmm,
Agun,
this is a cloud.
this is amazing.
Oh yeah.
Thank
You are fantastic. Thank you so much.
Yes.
It's sweet. It's like a roasted coconut flavor.
The inside is just so fluffy.
There's a rind on the outside of the heart, and that's like the hardest part, and then you have the inside sponge. Very different textures. It just absorbed all of the juice from the coconut, so it's super, super lush.
Whoa.
You can taste it. You can taste.
I can taste!
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you! This is so special! I have some very different looking honey from some black bees with no sting. It feels kind of sticky and tacky, and there's just like golden honey dripping off. You ready to try some, Agun? Okay.
You can taste.
This is, yeah, but
I'm happy. Very good.
It's so good. It's literally so good.
Oh, wow.
Different, yeah.
It's like tart.
That's way good. Thank you for sharing with us.
It's so tart.
Next you come here, I give you one bottle.
Oh, no. We will buy it. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
He's so good.
Oh, thank you.
When you stay in Kuta, you can get me for the address.